Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Madina Book 1, Lesson 10. Inshallah, we're going to finish this first book with this last lesson, Lesson 10, inshallah. And in this lesson, we're going to learn al-dama'ir, the pronoun. We have learned so far al-dama'ir al-munfasila, and we learned about them. Sorry, we learned 6 of them. We have ana, or we have 5 of them. Ana for female, same. Anta, anti, huwa, and he. Okay. We learned this, and these are called dama'ir al-munfasila. They come before the khabar. Okay. أنا مدرس، أنت طالب، أنت طالبة، هو رجل، هي بنت. So we have مبتدا خبر. And this is detached from the khabar. It's alone. Okay, it's not attached. It's why we call it al-damir al-munfasil, or al-dama'ir al-munfasila for the plural. Today we're going to learn, inshallah, al-dama'ir al-muttasila. Is the same dama'ir, but comes after an ism. After an ism, and is joined to an ism. For example, we have ya for ana. Let's go step by step. Okay, we have for ana, we have ya. Ana female, we have ya. For anta, we have ka. Anti, we have ki. For huwa, we have hu. And for hiya, we have ha. Okay, we're going to explain this, inshallah. We have here, to put al-damir al-muttasil, we need al-ism, and we put after it al-damir al-muttasil. For example, what we have ya, we have it here. We have, for example, kitabun, kitabi. Put ya after it to make my book. Okay. Lugatun. For this ka, you have lugatuka. You can say this as well, lugatuki. For who, we have qalamuhu, his pen. And zawjun, we have zawjuha. Ha for al-muttasil. Okay. Al-damir al-muttasil comes always after al-ism. Okay, after al-ism and joined to it. Okay, we call this al-damir al-muttasil. Okay, let's do. Okay, no problem. Good. So ya stand for my, ka and ki stand for your, who stand for his, and ha stand for her. Okay, we call this ya al-mutakallim or al-mutakallima for female. كاف المخاطب, كاف المخاطبة, ها الغائب, and ها الغائب. Okay, for example, we have kitabi, kitabuka, kitabuki, kitabuhu, kitabuha. We have as well lugati, yeah, lugati, أنا لغتي my language. لغتك and لغتك. لغته لغتها. قلمي قلمك قلمك قلمه قلمها. Okay. زوجي زوجك زوجك زوجه زوجها. Okay. This is for the pronouns. Okay. We just add the pronoun after. Okay. لغة قلم زوج هي. We omit the tanwin and put dhamma. Okay. زوج زوج and we put الضمير. قلم قلم قلمه mu. Okay. لغتك. Okay. But for كتاب, because there is ya as mad, you should put a kasra here. كتابي. Okay. If it's a ya, change. Okay, we change the dhamma to kasra because there is a mid. Okay, so we don't say kitabui. We say kitabi. But for the others, we just add it and make only one vowel because the tanwin cannot be in the middle of the word. Except for what we call al-asma al-khamsa. We are going to study it in this lesson too. Abun and akhon. Okay. Abun and akhon. We take these two. Abun and akhon for al-asma al-khamsa. For hamun, fu, and dhu, we study later on, inshallah. Now, these are called al-asma al-khamsa, and they have a lesson apart, inshallah. For al-ya, we don't have any problem. For example, for ya, we don't have any problem. Okay? Just we do abi, akhi. Okay? For ya, we don't have any problem. Yeah? We just add ya and make kasra, abi, akhi. But for the other one, ka and ki and who and ha, these ones, we should add a mid. We don't say abuka, we say abuka, abuka, akhuka. Same for abuki, akhuki. It's not abuhu, it's abuhu. Okay? Abuhu, akhuhu, abuha, akhuha. Okay? This is for الأسماء الخمسة. حموك فوك. Okay? This is it. That's all. Okay, so here if we have الاسم plus الضمير المتصل, this is مضاف إليه. كتابي كتابك, because this الضمير is a possession ضمير as well. Okay? This kind of is a possession. My book, his book, and his al-mudaf ilayh here. Al-mudaf ilayh is always majroor, but in this case it's mabni. Okay, we do the lesson after, inshallah, about al-asma al-mabniya, al-asma al-mu'arraba. This is mabni. Kitabi, kitab, mudaf, ya, damir, muttasil, في محل مبني في محل جر مضاف إليه. Okay. Inshallah. This is for the الضمير. Sorry. We go to check the lesson and we come back to the second stage of the study, inshallah. The lesson, we have about 6 pages, inshallah, that we should finish in 5 days to do the quiz and to finish, inshallah. Okay, is everything? Okay. The lesson 10 is about a dialogue. A dialogue, we are going to do it on the class, inshallah, on the homework. Do it, inshallah. But just here, we are going to focus on the pronoun. اسمك. Ka. Okay? اسمي. Yeah. معك. Okay? These are the pronoun, the attached pronoun. Okay? And the detached pronoun that we know, أنت, أنا, okay? هو, أنا, أنت, etc. The pronouns are here. So we have these two kinds of two pronouns, attached and detached. المنفصل are أنا, أنت, أنت, and the touched are these pronouns attached to المتصلة ك, يا, who, and ها. Okay, we do this inshallah on the class. The second, the content of the dialogue inshallah that we should do on today's, and we have as well an exercise about ما اسمك, ما لغتك, أين أبوك. This is a personal questions, yeah. Okay, these are personal questions that we are going to answer inshallah this lesson. And we have as usual the fill in the gaps. Here we are going to put, don't do yet the homework. It's not yet, just this is a lesson about. Here is to put either who or her. These are the attached pronouns that we put here regarding to male or female. Male get who, female get ha. اسمه, his name for male, اسمها for female, her name, okay? اسمه or اسمها. The same for the others, inshallah. Okay? And the following will be a question about all the students. They will ask the questions, inshallah, regarding the pattern here. And just exercise that we do in the class or homework, the daily homework, okay? And yeah, as well, another studying here, another, which is about lam, mulk, and ma'a, okay? Ma'a and lam al-mulk, which is, and we see the difference, inshallah. We got the difference between ma'a or عند. عند yeah, مع and عندي. Okay, we do the as well. Did we do this? عندي. Okay, do عندي and لي. Okay, and we go for مع after. We study مع at the end. Okay, so what's the difference on عندي and لي? Okay, these are two. One is اسم. عند is اسم. عند is اسم. And لام الملك is حرف. We did لام الملك. But عند we didn't do it. Okay. So we're going to see the difference between عند and li. For example, when we say عندي, I have, li, I have. Okay, it's the same. عندك, you have, لك, you have. عندي, عندك, sorry, you have, لك, you have. عنده, he has, له, he has, عندها, she has, and لها, she has. But what is the difference between these? Okay, we say يستخدم اللام الملكية للملكية, to possession. اللام is used to possess something. Okay, for example, لي بيت. Yeah, we have لي بيت. لي بيت means I possess a house. I own a house. But عندي بيت, I have a house where to live, but it doesn't belong to me. I have a house, I live there, I have where to live, but it doesn't belong to me. لي بيت, this house belongs to me. Okay, let's say عندك سيارة. عندك سيارة, you have a car. And لك سيارة, you have a car, but it doesn't give the same, exactly the same meaning. It looks like it's the same. You have a car, you have a car. Okay? For the first, عندك سيارة, you have a car, but you don't possess it. The second, لك سيارة, you have a car and you possess it. It's your own car. But for عندك, you can you could be renting it, you could be get it from a friend, you could, okay, but it's not your car. Okay, good. As well, if it's about the organs of أعضاء البدن, the organs of the body, eye, ears, mouth, head. You don't say عندي عين, عندي أنف. No, it belongs to you. So you have to say لي عين, لي أنف, لي أذن, لي شعر. And the same for families. Okay, family member, or أعضاء العائلة. انتماء. They belong to you, means you are part of the family. You don't say عندي أخ, لي أخ, لي أخ, لي أخت, لي عم. Okay, these are where to use لي and where to use عند, and we could to explain inshallah more in the lesson. Yeah, so here we get عندي and عندي, which is, we call, yeah, we say it, yeah. عندي is ظرف مكان. عند ظرف مكان. يا is, يعرب في يا is مضاف إليه. لام القمري so لام الملكية is حرف, so يا is حرف اسم مجرور. okay, or يا is ضمير متصل مبني لا محل له في الإعراب في محل جر مجرور or اسم مجرور. Okay, but we see this inshallah in details in the class. So after this we are going to continue with مع. مع خرج حامد مع خالد. Okay, with. Okay, with him. Okay, one beside the other. مع. And ذهب الطبيب مع المهندس. He went with him. We're going to see the مع inshallah class as well. We're going to explain, did this أبوك, we did this in that. We do it in more details inshallah in the class. And we carry on the class as usual inshallah. And we finish with this last page. And after that, we are going to do the quiz, and all of the students who followed up to here and they will success on the last quiz, they will get the certificate of the first book automatically issued for them inshallah, and we will tell them what to do after it. Okay, and we finish with this inshallah. And next year we are going to start the book 2, but before, because we still have time, In between, we are going to do some nahu, some grammar lessons that we will post on the group, inshallah, for extra lessons. This only the grammar. Don't go deep in the grammar. We go just to basic grammar about what we did in this first book. That's when we start the second book, inshallah. The students will be ready for that, inshallah, and we will advise you to not delay the homeworks and to not delay your quiz when it will be time for the quiz. Jazakum Allahu khair, inshallah. We start, inshallah, on Monday, the first quiz, the first homework, and everyone, we have only 5 days to finish this lesson, inshallah. So everyone has to submit the homework at time, inshallah. Jazakum Allahu khair, barakallahu khair. And if there is any question, just post on the group to your own teacher or in YouTube channels, inshallah. We will answer your question. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.